So the fifth round of NAFTA negotiations has started back on November 17th in Mexico City. And there continues to be tensions amongst the trade negotiators of all three countries, largely in part due to the U.S.'s proposals that are considered unconventional and have created conceptual gaps in trade ideology. So while the president had hoped for completion of the renegotiation at the end of 2017, the expectation now and understanding is that it will creep into first quarter 2018. So the proposals that the U.S. had put forth has created some issues across that'll likely impact all industries, but a few in particular. One being the proposal to increase the regional value content for automobiles from 62.5% to 85%, plus on top of that a requirement that there be greater than 50% U.S. content. Also, the U.S. has put forth a request for a sunset provision, essentially requiring that every 5 years the countries come together and essentially renegotiate or open up the agreement and determine how and whether they want to move forward. So as you could expect, this has created, again, quite a bit of uncertainty for much of the North American business community, in particular companies that have invested significantly in their North American supply chain platform. In addition, Customs and Border Protection has also significantly increased their intent to enforce current regulations. Particularly, the plan is to invest in intelligence and technology in order to target non-compliant importers. So the recommendation is for companies to take a step back under the current landscape and uncertainty and assess their global customs and trade function, particularly in the context of people, process, governance, and technology, with an objective to align with the business, steering towards minimizing duty spend and lowering overall regulatory compliance risk.